first of our Kinesio techniques is for the calf. This technique, however, can be used for other muscles throughout the body, for example the hamstrings or the quadriceps. Using this technique, I've already pre-cut about a 15 centimetre piece of Kinesio tape with a split approximately 10 centimetres of the tape down the middle and rounded the edges. As you can see here, Tim is in a position where his calf is on stretch. As mentioned earlier, it is really important to apply Kinesio tape when the body part or muscle is on stretch. I'm going to be applying the anchor, which is the part which isn't cut, down towards his Achilles, and then running each strip up the side of his calf. For the first part of the technique, it's important that the tape is not on stretch. From here, run the piece of tape up the side of the calf, on stretch. The last bit, however, again, not on stretch. Then do the same on the other side. As Kinesio tape is heat adhesive, it's important that you let it set for a minute in the position the patient is in. Apply some firm strokes to the tape to allow it to heat and set. And that's Kinesio tape 1 done of the calf or any other muscle through the body.